Aryo looks around the campsite and sees so many things to do. He starts working on one task, but quickly notices something else. Aryo keeps switching tasks, trying to do everything at once. He rushes around, unable to keep up with all the work. Aryo begins to feel overwhelmed by everything around him. To feel overwhelmed means having too many things to handle at once. Aryo pauses, takes a breath, and chooses one task to focus on. He works slowly and carefully, doing one step at a time. With focus, Aryo starts finishing each task, one by one. He looks around proudly, now calm, in control, and finished.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.